Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your PS5 controller drift. So fixing PS5 controller drift, where the character moves on its own, is often possible without replacing the controller by cleaning the sensors, resetting the device, or even adjustment settings. So the first thing you want to try to do is rotate and click. So press down on the analog L3, R3, and while holding them down, rotate them clockwise or clockwise for 10 to 30 seconds, then counterclockwise for 10 to 30 seconds. This can dislodge debris and also help realign the sensors. You can also simply push the stick to one side and blow into the gap to remove dust. So it is as simple as that, but the best thing to do would be restarting your PlayStation 5. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.